Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Otter app. For that you need to open your app, and now what you need to do is you need to continue with your work email or your Apple or Google or Microsoft account. You need to choose these platforms. Just choose one and tap on continue button and select your account if you have got multiple accounts, and then it will ask you for some access about your name, profile picture and email address. And after reading that, tap on continue button and it will ask you to give them access about your Google Calendar. And after that, tap on continue button and it will start to load, and that is how you can sign up into your Otter account. You can simply skip this, and then it will ask you for some permission, and it will show you its package, subscription package. You can start your free trial from here. I'll just cross it and I'll use it later. And that is how you can sign up into your Otter app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.